Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Faro. It's 12:25 Monday afternoon here in Portugal. Delighted to have arrived at destination 20 minutes ahead of schedule. Temperature outside currently around the 22 degrees centigrade mark. Now, in the interests of safety for yourselves and those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened while the aircraft is moving. And when the seatbelt sign is switched off, you'll be free to move around the cabin to retrieve any items of baggage and personal belongings. Do also bear in mind that during the disembarkation process it is necessary for you to wear your mask fully fitting your nose and mouth correctly unless you have a medical exception. Do take care when you open the overhead lockers in case any contents are shifted in flight, which could fall and cause injuries when the locker doors are fully opened. It's been our pleasure to have you on board today, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you've enjoyed your flight with us and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and goodbye. And just one final thing, I'm sure that you're all aware, but smoking is not permitted at any time whilst you're passing through the airport terminal building, but you will find designated smoking areas outside once you leave the terminal.
Cabin crew, disarmed on arrival, thank you.